Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. Today in this video we will be learning how to turn on Aim Assist in Identity V. Aim Assist is usually available only for certain roles or modes in Identity V. So if you want to enable Aim Assist in Identity V, then the first thing to do is to launch open the game and make sure you're inside the game. Once you're in, go to the top right corner and tap on the gear button. Once you do, from the options, select Controls from the left inside menu. Now inside the control setting, scroll down and then look for the Aim Assist button under General Hunter. Now click on the on button right next to Aim Assist and there you go. Aim Assist only works for certain characters or abilities. Some game modes may limit aim feature. If you don't see the option, it may not be available in your version. So that's it. Now your Aim Assist should be enabled, helping you aim more easily during matches. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.